The other course that I have also built is Mastering the Spiritual Warrior's Journey. This course is has been developed over my entire life's experience. So my life has been incredibly difficult and arduous. And so, what are the lessons that I have learned through my own journey of self improvement and transformation? And so, again, that's what this course is going to be about is, how did I become a spiritual warrior? Why do I call myself a spiritual warrior? What are the things that um, you need to do or you should do, or ideas of things that you need or should do in order to transform your life? And then how do you kind of take your life to the next level once you rid yourself of all of those toxic behaviors and patterns and ways of thinking and people in your life? Now that you have peace, what is it that you do moving forward? And then, of course, always having your self assessment, having creativity. This course also helps you to publish your own book or vlog, just like I have. So, if that's something that you're interested in, this course also gives you the step by step guidance that you need in order to publish or produce your own story.